In this video, you'll see just how easy it is to install our antimicrobial protected film. Be sure to start with a clean, dry surface. To install Silver Defender onto a hospital push-pull latch, first remove the middle liner. Next, align the exposed film with the latch and adhere. Then, adhere the flap. Remove the right liner and adhere. Then repeat this on the left. Be sure to press the film hard against the surface to activate a long-lasting bond. You've just installed an antimicrobial protected film that lasts up to 90 days. To remove, peel from the corner. Tear away any remaining film and dispose.